exercise so effective? It really boils down to that we look at the morals of the issues. So we don't just look at one perspective of how you can get to where you are, but many perspectives. And at that, we look at the things that are really true to how you get there. Is it a lack of motivation? Yes or no? Is it the fact that you have a very high demand lifestyle giving you less energy to get you where you need to be? That could be the option. So in taking a look at how the person is living their life, how their life is affecting their body, and the things that have previously happened to the body, we can more determine the direction to go. Because we don't just rely on the services that we offer, exercise therapies, and so on, we recognize that there are different practices with different advantages, and we understand them and use them in a way to progress our clients even faster, and at the same time complement these services by adding a bridging program by ourselves. In addition, more information from different practitioners is how we get really effective at doing what we do. Because we also bridge the gaps between different therapies, we understand what's needed to enhance those services. And on top of that, to progress even further. We know that different skills are needed to get you where you have never been before, and thus we develop these skills. We understand the mindset of the individual and help strengthen that mindset and build these mental skills to take on these harder challenges. And because we give you the power to understand the tools that you now have in your kit, you're able to do more for yourself and become a very, very strong self-advocate to your own health. We believe in building a really strong platform, and we understand that preparation is the key to success. So thus we prepare.